Whoa! Just after traffic signal, we are going to go on the left. This is crazy. It's so amazing. As XBHP, we had already done over 50 countries on some of the world's best superbikes and sometimes supercars too. Before the start of this odyssey from India all the way to Singapore and beyond to Sri Lanka, via Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia, and Malaysia. And this would be a total of 15,000 kilometers in 90 days for a total of 11 countries. And we would be doing this on a homegrown Bajaj Dominar 400s. Not only that, there will be 11 riders who will be joining us in different legs of this odyssey. But you have to see all the vlogs one by one to find out who they were. So this is the last day for Deepak Gupta here, and in Myanmar he will be replaced by Mohammad Salim Khan MSK, who's waiting for us around 380 kilometers from here. And here we stand with the tourist police in Naypyidaw, which is the capital of Myanmar, and their job is to escort us safely and ensure that we reach the city outer limits. And it was a great experience being in Myanmar. We didn't anticipate that it will be so beautiful and so well. The infrastructure is also very good for motorcycling, especially around the big cities. And when you come to the capital, you are greeted with roads which are 8 to 16 lanes, and the traffic is almost minimal, not there. So it was a beautiful experience. Unfortunately, we'll be leaving. We'll be entering tomorrow to Thailand, which is our country number 5. And Deepak bhai, let me say officially thank you so much. And sir, thank you so much for your services. Thank you.
चलो जी, बाय बाय नैपीडाव। जी हाँ, फिर कभी ज़रूर मिलेंगे नैपीडाव में। तो जी हाँ, सुबह के बज चुके हैं 7 और हम निकल चुके हैं बागों के लिए। बेसिकली मैं यांगोन जा रहा हूँ, बागों से हम अलग हो जाएंगे। आज जो मेरी राइड है वो हो चुकी है ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म। 300 किलोमीटर और राइड करनी है इस बाइक पर मुझे। 7-8 दिन मैंने ये वाली बाइक चलाई थी, फिर उसके बाद ये ब्लैक वाली चलाई।
So we are being escorted by the tourist police here in Naypyidaw, and look at these roads again.
सिंगापुर पेट्रोलियम SPC, तो ये देखिए कितना बड़ा पेट्रोल पंप है यहाँ पर। जगह बिल्कुल नीट एंड क्लीन है उधर। ओके 95 यस फुल।
What amazing roads are these! Absolutely stupendous. And there's almost no one. I mean, I just can't believe that this is not a highway. This is inside the city. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. This scene looks right out of a movie, like a president's convoy being escorted by the police or something like that. So there is the expressway to the place that we are going, near Yangon, the former capital of Myanmar, but no two-wheelers are allowed on that expressway. That is pretty sad. So it's going to take us around 3 hours more via the old road. But we still are not outside of city limits, and that's why the tourist police is still escorting us. And this road is never ending. It's like in the city, and there are hardly any structures that define a city here. No restaurants, even the temples, the pagodas are very few. It's just this a vast expanse of asphalt, tarmac. That's about it. I've never seen such a capital. And even if anyone is commuting here, I think we are looking at around like a dog on the left and a guy on a moped on the right, and 3 of us and the police and the escort right over there behind. Wow, look at that. The road still continues. Incredible. Unbelievable. Right, so here I am in Naypyidaw, the capital of Myanmar, escorted by the tourist police on a completely deserted road since many kilometers. Look at the road and there are almost no people to use it. And this old road is so amazing. Wow.
तो जी हाँ, 3 घंटे लगातार चलाने के बाद हम पहुँचे हैं जियाबाड़ी। एक जगह है बर्मा में ही। सीधे सीधे रोड थे, भगाते गए और यहाँ पर ये देखिए,
ये भैया जी हमें मिले और इनको हिंदी समझ में आती है, तो इनसे हमने पूछा तो पता चला कि यहाँ पे 80% के करीब जो पॉपुलेशन है वो इंडियंस की है, जो बहुत साल से यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं, सैकड़ों सालों से, और करीब ओनली 20% आर बर्मीज़ पीपल। ठीक है, और इनका नाम है भैया जी का सुशील कुमार, मैं सुनील कुमार। और ये भैया जी अब हमें खिला रहे हैं पान। तो शुक्रिया। तो अपने देश से इतना दूर आके पान खाने को मिला, भैया ने इतने प्यार से खिलाया, मज़ा आ गया यार। दुकानदार मैं भी हूँ, मैं भी। क्या हुआ? मेहमान पैसे नहीं ले रहे हैं यार।
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा।
देखो आप लोग फिर कभी आएंगे नहीं,
ये तो पता नहीं,
सरप्राइज रहने दीजिए।
अरे देखिए, आपने प्यार से खिला दिया, वो मुझे ज़िंदगी भर याद रहेगा। अब जो सामान आपने दिया है, आप उसके पैसे ले लीजिए।
बिल्कुल।
जो आपने प्यार दिया है उसकी मैं कीमत नहीं दे सकता आपको, है ना?
इसीलिए तो मैं कीमत नहीं मांग रहा हूँ।
अरे
इसीलिए तो कीमत नहीं मांग रहा हूँ।
सामान के
नहीं, बस।
अरे धन्यवाद भैया, बहुत बहुत
तो ये देखिए, इंडियंस का प्यार
है।
हर जगह आपको मिलेगा। तो जिस हाईवे से हम जा रहे हैं वो है AH1 और NH12 लिखा हुआ है वहाँ पर, वो देखिए। और एशियन हाईवे है जिसको बोलते हैं। बाकी इंडिया से सीधा यहाँ जाना यार एक अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस मिल रहा है मुझे।
We are going towards Yangon, actually Golden Rock, from Naypyidaw today, and Deepak's last day of riding with us. Deepak, कैसा लग रहा है राइड? बहुत दिनों बाद हाईवे पे चला रहे।
थोड़ा सा दिल भारी हो रहा है छोड़ने का, लेकिन बहुत मज़ा आया।
चलो,
सीरियसली बहुत मज़ा आया। बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखने को मिली, पगोड़ास देखने को मिले, डिफरेंट कल्चर देखने को मिला, और 16 लेन हाईवे अमेजिंग था।
नैपीडाव तो अमेजिंग था, हाँ।
ज़बरदस्त।
Finally, something worth stopping for on this highway between Naypyidaw and Golden Rock. This beautiful temple. There's a huge, very tall Buddha statue, and look at these. You'll find these kind of statues in front of all the big temples, but this one is a bit different. The other statues that you see outside the temples, they would have 2 lions. I think they 2 lions outside the temple, but these are with the body of a lion and face of an angel or a monk.
Alright, so we have reached Bago, and here is where Mohammad Salim Khan MSK came yesterday from the airport in Yangon. And this traffic is typical of a big city, populated, overdeveloped, something which we don't like, but Deepak Gupta will be dropping off here and MSK will be joining us. Right, so this is where MSK is staying. Salim,
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good, I'm good.
Yes, the other people are 1 hour behind us, like 40 minutes. Guys, good afternoon. We are here right now in the city of Bago in Myanmar. This is our last day over here on the ex-BHP Domina Great Asian Odyssey, and with me, MSK. MSK, welcome.
हेलो दोस्तों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. This is Mohammad Salim Khan. हमारे साथ है संदीप गज्जर भाई और welcome to the live session.
First time we are interacting, first time you are here. But yes, there was also a time when you came to one of the beats, I think.
Yeah, I
in
came
Lonavala.
to Lonavala.
Yeah. So,
yeah.
first of all, let's start with your history, yourself. So, who was MSK?
तो 3 साल पहले, 3 years back, I was Salim. Okay, I was doing a business. I have a business, e-commerce business मैं करता था. And then मुझे मेरे लाइफ से जो भी चीज़ चाहिए थी, like बाइक चाहिए था, सुपर बाइक चाहिए था, बाइक नहीं सुपर बाइक, ओके, सुपर बाइक चाहिए था, then घर चाहिए या फिर ज़िंदगी में जो भी चीज़ चाहिए था मैंने अचीव कर लिया था. At the age of 21, मतलब I have achieved whatever things I wanted.
And you had one of my favorite super bikes, the R1.
R1, Yamaha R1 2014 edition.
Which color?
White color.
White. Ah, beautiful. We had a long and hearty discussion with Salim even before the start of the ride. And you can watch that full live interview with him on XBHP Facebook page or the link given in the description. Alright guys, so we are in Bago and it's the last stop in Myanmar. I am sad and happy at the same time because Deepak Bhai is leaving today. I still remember when he joined in Calcutta, he took the keys from Vikas Rajmala, who was the first person from India to join us on the Odyssey, besides the XBHP core team. But I'm also very happy because MSK has joined the Odyssey right here with us. So, do you want to do this ceremony of handing over your keys, Deepak Bhai?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
अब तो आंखें दिखाओ. आप रो रहे हो?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं रो रहे.
पसीने के पीछे छुप गए आपके आंसू.
एक्चुअल में सही में अंदर से रो रहे हैं और ये आंसू छुपा रहे हैं अपने, इसलिए चश्मा पहन के रखे हैं.
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. तो आज मेरी जो राइड है यहाँ पर ख़त्म होती है बागों में. 13 दिन कैसे बीत गए पता ही नहीं चला. बहुत मज़ा आया, सनी भाई के साथ मज़ा आया और सुनील भाई जो कैमरा के पीछे है.
दीपक भाई प्लीज.
सो हियर इट इज़ अनारकली.
थैंक यू जी.
सलीम के पास.
ख्याल रखिएगा.
ख्याल रखिएगा.
अनारकली पहले भी हमारी थी, अब भी है और आगे भी रहेगी.
एक डुप्लीकेट और मिल गई है.
क्या बात है, क्या बात. सो
थैंक यू सो मच दीपक. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे मिलके.
सेम है ब्रो.
थोड़ा और समय बिता पाए.
बिल्कुल.
Alright guys, so here we go. Deepak is flying back from Rangoon today to New Delhi and MSK is going to ride with us to Thailand. And MSK, you know, आप जो loop करने वाले हो ना, it's called the Mahon Song loop. It's Mahon Song. Like it has 1900 curves. 1900 curves हैं. It is one of the best roads in the world to ride on. So what you are so where you are going is one of the most iconic places.
Oh.
Not only in Thailand, not only Southeast Asia, but the entire world. Let's hope it does not rain because हमारे कैमरे चलने बंद हो जाते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
All right, let's hit it. Anything else you want to say, MSK?
I just want to say thank you so much XPHP कि मेरे को ये मौका दिया आप लोगों ने. एंड ये थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बताने के लिए कि इतने कर्व्स है.
Yes, नहीं वो कर्व्स तो सिर्फ उस पार्ट में,
हाँ.
और भी मिलेंगे.
हाँ चलो ठीक है.
टायरों का
Thank
बहुत
you.
अच्छा काम होने वाला है.
बिल्कुल.
All right, guys, take care.
बाय बाय.
Mohammad Salim Khan over there and Deepak Gupta over there. Bye bye. दीपक भाई मिलेंगे फिर से.
सेफ राइड.
Yes. This is by far the most crowded area that we have come in Myanmar. Look at the crowd. Oh my God. This is Bago, by the way, and just like many of the Indian towns, small towns and cities. And that is a school finish time, I think, here. I spotted a lot of riders going somewhere. Hello.
Happy to see Indian.
Yes.
Nice to see the
How are you? Huh?
photo.
Hey. Sunny, nice to meet you.
Where are the other two guys?
Sorry?
You are three guys, no?
Yeah, they're coming.
Oh, good. Good, I stopped. थोड़ा पनीर से बिटर.
Hi, how are you? Sunny. Nice to meet you. Delhi.
Delhi.
Yes.
Oh, I see your photos every time.
Oh, so what kind of number plate is this?
This is for the Myanmar number plate. Temporary plate.
Oh, but we didn't require one.
Didn't get you one.
We didn't require one.
So while getting in, we also didn't get one number plate.
The
But
guy had,
once
the
you
guide
come back
had,
from
but he's
Thailand,
keeping
they're
inside.
going to stick you
Today
one.
they want to stick it.
Oh, so we found these riders, and all of them are from India. Big bikes. This one I rode from LA to New York in God knows, wow, 7-8 years ago. No, this is the 1200. I rode the 1600. We bid adieu to these fellow bikers from our motherland and continued our journey to the Golden Rock Temple in Myanmar. Wow, what beautiful roads! And that's MSK behind me in the rearview mirror, and in front of me is Sunil G. Thank you.
Please come in.
So we've reached our destination for the day, the Eternity Resort.
Yeah, Eternity Resort. Booking IT, please.
डायरी करने से पहले फेस साफ कर लेना है. ये देखो क्या हाल हो गया पसीने से. बाप रे, ये देखो वाइट था, ये वाइट. Right now at Golden Rock, which is one of the holiest sites for Buddhists around the world. It is said that there's a huge rock, golden color rock, which is sitting on the edge of a mountain, and they say that it's balancing on the hair of on a hair thread of Buddha. So a lot of pilgrims, Buddhist pilgrims here come here, every day, and a lot of tourists you'll see all around. So the day begins. Today is a big day. We will be entering into country number 5, which is Thailand. Today we are starting from Golden Rock, which is a famous pilgrimage site. Unfortunately, we didn't have time to visit the rock itself, but we stayed right at the base of it. It was just a 20 minutes ride from here. So that is the entry gate. This road, this one goes to the Golden Rock, and but as I said, we did not have enough time, unfortunately, in our hands to visit it. It will take at least a couple of hours, and we do not have those couple of hours with us, unfortunately. Okay, visor cleaning time.
ये MSK भाई स्कूल जाने के लिए रेडी हो
So this is the market at the Golden Rock. Like any other tourist place or a religious tourist place in India, we find a lot of shops selling souvenirs, statues and things like that. और जो रोड है यहाँ से वो तो अमेजिंग है. It is like a race track. That doesn't mean that you should race on it, but it just feels like one.
The Bajaj Dominar 400 is an amazing motorcycle to tackle all kind of terrains, as we found out. It is a very proud feeling to ride an Indian-made motorcycle all the way from India to Singapore and beyond. But there are a lot of you who are just starting out the life on two wheels. And for that, Bajaj has launched the perfect weapon, the Dominar 250. The Dominar 250 looks promising, and you can test ride it at your nearest Bajaj dealership. But for now, let's get back to the Odyssey. So we are progressing towards the border of Myanmar and Thailand, and this road is going to be very bad very soon. But let's enjoy while we can.
Small Burmese village. Feels like we are somewhere in South India, like Tamil Nadu, or and talking about India, we found one Bajaj auto. And surprisingly, Bajaj is the only Indian brand that is so prominently visible everywhere in Myanmar. I haven't seen any other Indian brand beat anything, you know, like FMCG or a automotive brand. And I'm not saying this because Bajaj is our sponsor, but this is a fact. Because Myanmar is a closed economy, quite a closed economy, and they haven't allowed the manufacturers from around the world to set up their shop. You won't find many familiar brands here except Coke, Pepsi and things like that. So finding Bajaj motorcycles, auto rickshaws everywhere in Myanmar is a very pleasant feeling. Oh, this one South Indian style temple here. Which tells us that there are lots of South Indian living here, and especially Tamils. So there is very strong crosswind here, and it's very difficult to keep the bike straight. It is taking a lot of effort to keep the bike straight. It is going sideways, like it is tilted, like this. Very strong crosswind, very strong.
यहाँ से होता है ऑफ रोडिंग शुरू। रोड ख़त्म हो चुका है, लगभग 70 से 80 किलोमीटर है। उसके बाद आएगा थाईलैंड का बॉर्डर। एंड एक बात माननी पड़ेगी इस बाइक की यार, अमेजिंग बाइक है। मतलब मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि टूरिंग थोड़ा सा कंफर्टेबल नहीं होगा इस बाइक पे, लेकिन टूरिंग एकदम कंफर्टेबल है। और अगर ये जुगाड़ कर लिया जाए टॉप बॉक्स और पैनियर का, तो लाइफ झिंगा लाला। इसमें सिर्फ एक दिक्कत है विंड स्क्रीन का। यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा हवाएं चल रही है और वो ऐसा छाती पे लग रहा है, तो फील होता है। बाकी बाइक एकदम टकाटक है। अभी तक का जो राइड का एक्सपीरियंस रहा, मस्त, मज़ा आया। मतलब 3 घंटा सो के भी नींद नहीं आ रही है।
It seems that the road is turning into dust. Oh my God. And it's getting red as the soil replaces the tarmac slowly but surely. 50 kilometers of this kind of road, I mean worse than this, I believe, is still left. Bloody hell, look at this. Oh, what? This is beyond my wildest imaginations, and I just hope that it is not wet, because if it is wet, then it's going to be very slippery. This is where the need of 4 tires is often understood. I have to get back up on the road now. If you can call that a road. Yes, that is a road. Bloody hell. Yes, amazing. Oh, here we go. Oh, shit. Holy hell. Oh. Shit.
ऑलराइट लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, मज़ेदार ऑफ रोड के बाद, धूले तूफान राइड के बाद पहुंचे हैं यहाँ पर। इनकी हालत, मैंने कहा कि अंदर घुसने से पहले आप दिखा दोगे कैसे दिख रहे हो।
I feel like I won the Dakar rally. Next 50 kilometers, it's going to be completely off-road, and most importantly, it's going to be red, लाल मिट्टी।
लाल मिट्टी होगी?
मेरे देश की नहीं, लेकिन लाल मिट्टी है।
अरे टोटल हमने गाड़ी चलाई है आज 209 किलोमीटर गाड़ी चलाई है हमने, और 209 किलोमीटर के बाद लिया गया है लंच ब्रेक। खाना ज़रूरी है, अदरवाइज बैगन खा के दिखाओ ना।
अरे बाप,
एक बार ट्राई तो करो।
वो टॉर्चर कम है जो ये का टॉर्चर है।
एक बार ऐसे चबा कर तो देखो कैसा लग रहा है।
It came in salad. Are we supposed to eat it?
Yeah, my food it comes along with the side dish. You have to eat with the fish paste.
Okay.
It comes along.
अच्छा भाई देखो, ये खा सकते हैं, बट इसको you're supposed to eat it with fish paste.
हाँ।
ठीक है, तो मैं फिश तो खा नहीं सकता, तो मैं ये भी नहीं खाऊंगा।
ये तो मीठा है। नहीं मीठा नहीं है।
This nightmare of a road continued for about 60 kilometers, and it just drained us of every ounce of energy that we had. But when it ended, it gave way to one of the most beautiful roads we had seen so far.
and the back roads have opened up to this. Unbelievable. And this is around 30 kilometers before the Thailand border. And how the fortunes of this road have changed. Look at this. So second Myanmar-Thai Friendship Bridge, you can see written over there. So this is the town of Myawaddy in Myanmar, and for 300 meters from here is the border crossing station that you have to use to get over to Thailand, and I guess that is it over there. Now here is where the paperwork will start, and we have to park here and wait for the escort to do their duties. So across that bridge over there is Thailand. Yes, across that is Thailand.
So we are doing this paperwork here, filling all the immigration details, and that's Sunny, Salim. Okay.
So behind me is immigration. This is the first time I'm coming into Thailand via land. It's a little weird to see doing all this in a land port. Alright, let's go inside.
So we have got the exit stamp on our passports from Myanmar, and we are officially out of Myanmar. The only thing remaining from Myanmar side is the stamp, exit stamp on the carnet. Customs officer will come now and note the chassis number of our bikes, just to make sure that the bike entering and exiting are the same. This is done to prevent smuggling of expensive vehicle into and out of the country.
तो मेरे ख्याल से अभी सारा प्रोसेस कंप्लीट हो चुका है, लेकिन फिर भी एक बार कंफर्म कर लेता हूँ। सुनील जी, अभी कुछ बचा है? नहीं, सब कंप्लीट हो गया यहाँ का कंप्लीट। ठीक है, अभी उस तरफ का बचा है, लेकिन ये ऐसे फर्स्ट टाइम मेरे लाइफ में हो रहा है, तो देख के काफ़ी मज़ा आ रहा है और एक नया एक्सपीरियंस करने को मिल रहा है। Thank you, Peter.
Yeah.
Peter Parker, thank you. Thank you so much.
So hope to enjoy the trips in Myanmar, and I hope to see you again.
इमोशनल मोमेंट है, ये नहीं होता तो क्या होता हमारा।
खाना तो नहीं मिलता एटलीस्ट।
खाना ठीक से नहीं मिलता।
Salim, are you ready to cross over? Yes. Second country.
Yes, excited.
Alright, so now immigration formality is done in Myanmar. Now we are crossing over to Thailand. Just across this bridge is Thailand, and here we go. Keep left after traffic signal. This is no man's land. Whoa. Just after traffic signal we are going to go on the left. This is crazy. It's so amazing. And there is सरहद पार इसे कहते हैं।
Okay, park here first, and you have to do some registration.
We have to get the visa as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Visa arrival.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm your tour guide.
Yeah. I'm Sunil. Nice to meet you. Hi. Hi. Hello. Nice to meet you.
Hi. Cham.
He's our guide for
My name is Bo. Double.
बबो चाम बबो अब ये रहेंगे थाईलैंड में हमारे टूरिस्ट गाइड
We have immigrated from Thailand, I mean into Thailand now.
Alright, so we have just successfully immigrated into Thailand with Salim Bhai.
Yes.
And country number 5 officially for the Expedition Dominar Great Asian Odyssey, and country number 2 for
Mohammed Salim Khan.
yes. अभी म्यांमार के ठप्पा लगाने के बाद आपने थाईलैंड
Thailand
लगवाया.
enter किया है.
Now the roads will be substantially better, and in the next 3 days we are going to do around 2,500 curves in the mountains. So it means that the weather is also going to be very good. It's not going to be hot and sultry like it was in Myanmar. Salim bhai, you looking forward to it?
Yes, of course. Why not? इतना धूप में तड़प के यहाँ पर आए हैं तो थोड़ा मजे लेंगे थाईलैंड के. And this is my first time in Thailand basically. रोड से आने का अलग मज़ा होता है. वही सब मज़े ले रहे हैं यहाँ पर. And yeah.
Let's
Looking
hit the
forward
gas.
to see all the
Twist the
adventures.
throttle.
Yeah. Hello, namaste, alaikum, marhaba, assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammed Salim Khan and this is Sandeep Gajjar in Thailand with XBHP, the XBHP Dominar Great Asian Odyssey.
300 की स्पीड पे बोला इन्होंने.
हैं? 300 अपना वो आरपीएम ज़्यादा है ना. इस अमेजिंग वाली फीलिंग के साथ ये अमेजिंग और खुशनुमा ब्लॉग को समाप्त करते हैं. बाकी सब बढ़िया है. कल के दिन और ज़्यादा मज़ा आने वाला है. कल वेदर अच्छा होगा, रोड अच्छा होगा और सब कुछ नया होगा. सब कुछ यानी कि रोड के साइन, रोड का स्ट्रक्चर और लोग थोड़े सिमिलर ही हैं बट मेरे लिए सब नया एक्सपीरियंस. बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है यार.